How to report a problem on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to report a problem on TikTok. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device. You need to wait until the page gets loaded and ensure to log in and sign in to the particular account on TikTok. After that, tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen and tap Settings and Privacy. While you're on the Settings and Privacy page, you have to scroll all the way down and under Support and About section, tap Report a Problem. Once you get access to this section, you will get all the relevant topics. Simply select the topic on which you want to report a problem. Suppose if it is for feed and playback, select that. And here are multiple options, that is for whether that is for feed or playing videos. Select feed. And once you have chosen the topic as per your choice, you have to select the different option here, like recommended content doesn't update, still seeing not interested videos, no videos on the feed, and many more. After that, here are different kinds of steps through which you can easily solve the issue, like switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear app cache, restart the app, and many more. Once you have followed this step, if your problem has been resolved, you have to tap yes, otherwise no. For now, let's select yes, and you can easily send the feedback and solve your issue after reporting a problem. So, likewise, you can easily go through other topics as well and report a problem easily in the similar way. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.